everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Mum and, well, it's finally happened. The Delta variant has made its way into our shores and into the New Zealand community. So we're in a national lockdown again. So, to take your mind off it, we're going to clean up Waffles' cage. We're going to take everything out and deep clean everything and make it nice and fresh and lovely for him to spend his time in, as he is blissfully unaware of the shite storm that's blowing around us. So I'm going to pass to Willow now, and Willow will show you what we do first up.
The first thing we're going to do is set up Waffles' playpen because he can't be in the cage while Mum's cleaning it. So we're going to set it up.
Now that Waffles is in his playpen, we're going to take everything out, shake off all the poop and the hay, wash all of his bedding, and put some nice clean stuff in there for him. I'm going to start off by shaking everything out and sweeping it off with my little dustpan and putting the washing in a basket I have on the floor and leaving all of the poop and hay in the cage to throw away into a bucket once I've got everything done. After I get everything swept up, I'm going to spray it down with my 50/50 water and white vinegar solution and clean it up. Okay, so at this point everything is emptied. Nothing's in here, it's all cleaned and wiped down with our half and half vinegar and water solution. Now the next thing to do is put some puppy pee pads down, a new fleece blanket, a new Hardy House cuddle cup, and pop his toys in. The next step is to take everything outside and shake off all of the remaining dust, hay and poop. Right, welcome to my teeny tiny little box room laundry. So we're going to do Waffles washing. Everything goes in. I'm going to get only about this much, only a very small part of actual wash powder. Then some vinegar. And just to top it all off, a bit of borax. I don't know what this does, but I've seen other guinea pig people do this. Okay. Power. Cold always. This isn't even hooked up to hot water. High water level. Fast spin. And then start. Now once this load has finished, I'll run it through again, all completely on the same settings. However, I won't put in any any powders or anything else. Okay, it's been through once with detergents and things. Now we're going to run it through again with nothing in it until it is clean. Okay, everything has been through its 2 wash cycles in the washing machine. Now we're going to put it in the dryer. Check the lint trap, empty, cool. Alright, power, 90 minutes, normal, that one, and there we go. Alright, everything is dry. I'm just gonna put it away. And that's basically it. That's how we do Waffles deep clean. We do that every 5 to 7 days. And every morning when I feed him, I use the little dustpan and brush and just sweep up any loose hay and poop and stuff. So, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe and all of that junk. And if you want to pop on a playlist, we have a playlist called Every Video We've Ever Done, which is every video we've ever done, and you can put that on in the background and just leave it running, and that actually helps us out a great deal. So, see you next time.